Redragon K617 Fizz on our test bench today. A 60% keyboard that promises 100% power and performance. Let's see if it delivers. Hey everyone, welcome to our unboxing and review of the Redragon K617 Fizz, a compact keyboard with a lot to offer. Let's start with unboxing. Here is a K617 Fizz, and you can see that this is a sleek packaging. As we open it up, notice how well everything is laid out. What is your first impression? I think it's a compact, clean and ready to impress. So inside the box you will find a keyboard itself, obviously, a keycap puller and switch puller, so you have everything what you need to get started. So let's take a closer look at these keycaps. The two-tone design, which is really pops, and you can always switch this to another keycap set. Here are the hot swappable red switches, which is very important if you are going to do any customization. And by the way, I'm going to do this customization in my next video. So what we are going to say about red switches? They're really key to any of the mechanical keyboards, even for gaming mechanical keyboards. The K617 comes with red switches, and we know them for the smooth and quiet clicks, which is again good for gaming. And of course they are hot swappable, which is again really helpful if you want to improve your keyboard. And this keyboard is compatible with 3 or 5 pin switches. For the gamers out there, I know lighting is a key. Let's light it up. The keyboard packs up to 20 RGB presets. You can adjust the brightness, you can change the flow. It's all in your hands. And for the pros, dive into the software from the Redragon. You can design your own lighting and you can set up your crucial macros. What about FPS gamers? I haven't forgot about you. Let's see how it fits into your gaming world. So basically it's straight placement and compact design means more room for your mouse moves. So let's say goodbye for all these keyboard bumps in the middle of the game. Now let's do the most interesting part for the mechanical keyboard, sound test. Okay guys, now let's wrap this up with some final thoughts. The Redragon K617 Fizz isn't just another keyboard. I think it's where compact meets versatility. With these hot swappable switches and vibrant RGB and user-friendly software, it's a solid choice for the gamers and also for people who need just a small Titan keyboard. And what is the best part? It's a budget friendly, without skimping on the features, right? So if you're looking to upgrade your setup without breaking the bank, the K617 Fizz might just be what are you looking for, right? But before you go, if you're curious about more Redragon products, check out my unboxing and review of the Redragon K673 Pro right here. Click on the video to see what this pro level keyboard has to offer and how it compares to this one. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below with your thoughts on the K17 Fizz, and I'll catch you up in the next review. Bye bye.